Importing strategies for aerospace and defense goods. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing an important topic for businesses in the aerospace and defense industry: importing aerospace and defense industry goods. As a customs brokerage firm specialized in international trade, we understand the unique requirements and regulations involved in importing these goods. So, let's dive right into it. The aerospace and defense industry involves the manufacturing and distribution of goods such as aircraft, aerospace components, defense equipment, and related technologies. Importing goods in this industry requires careful attention to specific regulations and security measures. Importing aerospace and defense industry goods often involves compliance with export control regulations. These regulations aim to protect national security and prevent the unauthorized transfer of sensitive technology or information. Importers must obtain the necessary licenses or authorizations to ensure compliance. Importing aerospace and defense industry goods requires close collaboration with government agencies such as the U.S. Department of State, Directorate of Defense Trade Controls (DDTC), and the U.S. Department of Commerce, Bureau of Industry and Security (BIS). Importers should work closely with these agencies to navigate the licensing and authorization processes. The International Traffic in Arms Regulations (ITAR) and the Export Administration Regulations (EAR) govern the export and import of defense articles and dual-use items. Importers must understand and comply with these regulations to ensure lawful and secure importation of aerospace and defense industry goods. Proper customs valuation and classification are crucial for aerospace and defense industry goods. Accurate valuation ensures the appropriate assessment of duties and taxes, while correct classification ensures compliance with specific regulations and export controls. Different countries may have specific regulations and requirements regarding the importation of aerospace and defense industry goods. Importers must thoroughly understand and comply with these regulations to ensure smooth customs clearance and adherence to local standards. Protecting intellectual property rights is crucial within the aerospace and defense industry. Importers should ensure that the goods they import do not infringe on any trademarks, copyrights, or patents. Working closely with legal experts can help protect against potential intellectual property issues. Importing aerospace and defense industry goods often involves complex shipping and logistics arrangements. These goods are typically high-value, sensitive, and subject to strict security measures. Working with experienced logistics partners who understand these requirements is essential. Maintaining comprehensive records is crucial for importers of aerospace and defense industry goods. Accurate record-keeping includes documentation related to customs valuations, classifications, licenses, and authorizations. Regular compliance audits should be conducted to ensure ongoing adherence to regulations. Importing aerospace and defense industry goods requires strict adherence to security procedures and risk management practices. Importers should implement robust security measures to protect the goods during transportation, storage, and customs clearance processes. Working closely with experienced customs brokers is highly recommended when importing aerospace and defense industry goods. Customs brokers with expertise in this sector can provide expert guidance, navigate complex regulations, and ensure smooth customs clearance processes. Importing aerospace and defense industry goods may involve considerations for technology transfers. Importers should be aware of any restrictions or requirements related to the transfer of technology, particularly when dealing with controlled items and sensitive information. Importers should conduct thorough due diligence checks on suppliers and ensure compliance training for employees involved in the importation process. This helps mitigate risks, maintain compliance with regulations, and prevent unauthorized actions. Importers of aerospace and defense industry goods should assess their eligibility for trade programs and agreements that offer benefits such as reduced duties or preferential trade treatment. Utilizing these programs can contribute to cost savings and improved competitiveness. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the process of importing aerospace and defense industry goods. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Stay tuned for more videos on international trade and customs brokerage services. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for upcoming content. We appreciate your support, and see you in the next video.